Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You begin by ensuring you have the right access, confirm business manager ownership, and that you are a page admin. Once done, make sure the Meta Business Suite app or your browser is fully updated, clear cache and cookies, then restart the app. You also must verify two-factor authentication and that linked email and phone are current. These prerequisites prevent permission conflicts, so act now to avoid backtracking later, because missing rights is the most common hidden blocker. Next, dive into business settings and methodically audit pages, people, and partners. Remove duplicate or stale admins and reassign roles as needed. Once clean, revoke and refresh app tokens and reconnect the page. Make sure to reauthorize any linked ad accounts during the same session. Also check Commerce Manager and Instagram connections to confirm assets are assigned correctly. This middle phase resolves token mismatches and asset ownership issues, which is why taking each step in sequence matters. To finish, test posting, the inbox, and ad creation. Note any error codes and when failures occur. If problems persist, reinstall the app or switch browsers and allow 24 to 48 hours for token propagation after major changes. If the suite still misbehaves, revoke all third-party integrations and then recreate tokens and reconnect assets. This is often the only way to fix stubborn sync issues. If nothing works, escalate to Meta support with your documented errors. Include timestamps and screenshots.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.